हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब तक आपने अपने बीहाइव टेक्स्ट बुक का पहला स्टोरी जिसका टाइटल है द फन दे हैड आपने ज़रूर पढ़ लिया होगा। इस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड एक वीडियो इसके पहले ही मैं अपलोड कर चुका हूं और उस वीडियो में आपको याद होगा मैंने इस स्टोरी को समराइज़ किया था और इस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड एसेंशियल्स आपको बताए थे। मैं विश्वास करता हूं कि आपने ज़रूर ही उस वीडियो को वॉच किया होगा और उस ऑडियो लेक्चर को सुनकर स्टोरी से रिलेटेड अपने कंसेप्ट को बिल्डअप कर लिया होगा। अब बारी है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की और इस वीडियो का टॉपिक भी यही है। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में आप सुनने वाले हैं एक ऑडियो लेक्चर जिसमें मैंने इस स्टोरी पर आधारित टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस के सेट 1, सेट 2 और सेट 3 में दिए गए सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बताए हैं। आप नोटबुक और पेन को लेकर बैठ जाइए और इस ऑडियो लेक्चर को सुनकर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के अपने खुद के नोट तैयार कर लीजिए। ऐसा करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि जब आप इस तरह से अपना नोट बना लेंगे तो आपको टाइम एंड अगेन उसे रिकॉल करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार लगातार रिकॉल करते रहने से वह आपको हमेशा के लिए याद हो जाएगा और एग्जामिनेशन के समय पर जैसा आप लोग भाग दौड़ मचाते हो वैसा नहीं होगा। आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे कि उस वक्त आप इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर बगैर किसी झिझक के दे सकेंगे। तो आइए अब आप सुनिए उस ऑडियो लेक्चर को। My dear students, my name is Sujit Kumar. You are watching Trick Track English YouTube channel. I now take you to the audio part of this video lecture. My dear students, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में क्वेश्चन के 4 सेट्स दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट सेट हैज 7 questions of very short answer type. Second set has 2 questions of abstract based value. Third set has 8 questions of short answer type and set 4 has 3 questions of long answer type. आज के इस ऑडियो लेक्चर में हम सेट 1, सेट 2 और सेट 3 के अंतर्गत दिए गए क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स पर विचार करेंगे। सेट 4 में दिए गए जो 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके आंसर पर मैं एक अलग से वीडियो बनाकर अपलोड करूंगा। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। ये रहा आपका सेट 1 और इस सेट 1 का ये रहा आपका पहला सवाल। How old are Margie and Tommy? The answer is Margie is a girl of 11 years of age and Tommy is a boy of 13 years of age. They are neighbors who live in futuristic year of 2157. The second question of the set is, what did Margie write in her diary? Your answer should be, in her diary dated 17th May 2157, Margie wrote that day Tommy had found a real book in the attic of his house. The book was printed on pages. The book was old as the pages of the books were yellow and crinkly. The third question of the set is, had Margie seen a book before? The answer is no, she hadn't. She had only heard about it from his grandfather. She only saw it first time when Tommy came to her with the book he had found in the attic of his house. The fourth question is here. What things about the book did she find strange? In the question, she refers to Margie. Now the answer is, on observation, Margie noticed that the words printed on the pages of the book were not moving the way they moved on the page of the computer screen. She also found it strange that the words on a particular page always remained the same no matter how many times they are read. The fifth question of this set is, what do you think a telebook is? The answer is, a telebook is an electronic book. We also call it an e-book. It is stored in a computer and can be read by scrolling up and down the screen. Question 6th of this set is, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Your answer should be, Margie's school was inside her house. She had a personal room next to her bedroom. That very room served the purpose of schooling. There was a mechanical teacher there to teach her. Since Margie didn't go to a real school, she didn't have any classmates. And the last question of set 1 is, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? The answer is, they learned geography, history and mathematics. Now comes set 2, which has got 2 extracts, and each extract has 3 questions. Here is the extract 1. It is like this: I would not throw it away. The first question is, who says these words? The answer is, Tommy says these words. Second question is, what does it refer to? The answer is, it refers to computer screen on which Tommy reads his books of geography, history and mathematics. The third question is, what is it being compared with by the speaker? The answer is, it is being compared to the real book which is in printed form and which Tommy found in his house. Now come to extract 2. The extract is, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. The first question based on the extract is, who does they refer to? The answer is, they refers to the forefathers of Margie and Tommy, who used to go to a real school and there were human teachers to teach them. The second question is, what does regular mean here? The answer is, in the extract, regular means mechanical. The third question is, what is it contrasted with? The answer is, the mechanical teacher is contrasted with a human teacher. This ends the question of set 2. Now come to set 3. The first question of this set is, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? The answer is, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were in fact educational computer system with preloaded lessons of geography, history and mathematics. They had big black screen. The screen displayed the lessons and there were slots there for the users to insert homework for evaluation. Second question of the set is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? The answer is, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector to check and repair Margie's mechanical teacher. Margie's repeatedly failure in geography tests made her think it could be because of the fault in the system. So she thought it better to send for the county inspector to have the mechanical teacher checked. The third question of the set is, what did he do? He in this question refers to county inspector. You can read the question like this: what did county inspector do? The answer is, the county inspector opened the computer system and detected fault with the geography sector that was geared higher than Margie's age group. He reset the geography sector to Margie's level and then closed the machine. The fourth question is, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? The answer is, Margie was doing badly in geography test because of the fault her mechanical teacher had developed. The county inspector told about the fault to Margie's mother and further said that Margie was not at fault. He reset the mechanical teacher and thus helped Margie to give test confidently. The fifth question of the set is, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? The answer is, Tommy's teacher had developed a fault that resulted in the deletion of entire section of history. His teacher was taken out for repair and it took 1 month to reset it. The sixth question of the set is, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? The answer is, yes, she had, except Saturdays and Sundays. It is because her mother had directed her to study at the same time every day to be a better learner. The seventh question is like this: how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? The answer is, Tommy described the old kind of school as a learning institution where there were human teachers who told a few things to the students, gave them homework and asked questions. They were as capable as the mechanical teacher. The last question of set 3 is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of teachers? The answer is, Tommy said that the old kind of teachers used to be human beings. They used to teach the students inside a special building. The teacher taught the students in groups and gave them homework and asked questions. So my dear students, these were the answers to the questions given in set 1. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने इस ऑडियो लेक्चर को बड़े ध्यान से सुना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के अपने खुद के नोट तैयार कर लिए हैं। यदि इस वीडियो से आपको लाभ हुआ है तो आप लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मुझे यह बताना कभी मत भूलिए कि आपको और क्या चाहिए और आप मुझसे और क्या आशा करते हैं। आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं फिर अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।